Let me start right off the bat. This coin is so bullish that I cannot even predict any stuff. Will that be the case forever? Well, for that, you should stick around, because we are making a technical analysis of Theta token, the one that is in the last 30 days made gains of 123%. So if you're interested in crypto space, Theta token versus dollar, and the king of crypto, Bitcoin, stick around, because we're diving into this mega ball. Before we dig any deeper, let me remind you, if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. You know what buttons you should click. Red one, subscribe, cause red is a no-no. Thumbs up. Put that hand in the air, just like this little guy. He's smart, you know. He's wearing a red shirt, but putting the hands up. Yeah, I know what you mean. Boy, you're going places. Share this video with someone interested in Theta token. Tip the dinosaur if you feel the need, if you don't know what to do with your funds. In the description, you'll see where and how I want to dig into something that is called Fear and Greed Index. As you can see, we are standing at our 71. And yes, we are greedy, but we are not extremely greedy like we used to in the last few months. Nothing but extreme greed. I think we are on our path to cooling off, and that is ultra healthy and ultra good for our bull market. If you want to go upside, well, you just gotta take those downside targets from time to time. What is happening in the top coins? I don't know. Check it out with me. If you watched my yesterday's video, when we discussed about Dent coin, well, then you know that my neighbor's jackhammer is pretty active these days. And as it seems today is the case, the jackhammer haze also. I do apologize for any noises in the background. I can do nothing about it. But what I can do about it is to show you the only coin that is surging to the upside, XRP, 8.23%. The only one with some gains. Market, the rest of the guys in the top 10s are just cooling off. It's too much to them. It's overbearing, this whole move. And really soon, I know that some of you might disagree with me. I think that the whole market needs a bigger correction for the new upside leg. The one that is not resting, Raven coin, 25.37% in the green. And I'm mentioning him because just a few videos ago, we made a price prediction for Raven coin for 2021. If you're into this coin, check it out. But since we're mentioning gainers, let's mention, and the biggest loser, hot, hollow chain, however you want to call it, minus 19.51%. Why I am mentioning him? For two reasons. Reason number one, we have a price prediction for that coin also. Check it out. It could be valuable to you. Reason number two, yesterday and the last few days, we saw enormous surge to the upside. Today, I think it was between 50 and 100% gain to the upside. So please, if you are a hot investor, don't be frightened with this 19% pullback. Because what is such a small pullback? Small in correlation with the upside. Nothing. I need to remind myself why you clicked on this video. I think it was Theta, right? Is it pronounced Theta? I'm not so sure. But I am sure that we're going to the chart right now. Theta versus US dollar on the daily chart. Let's see what's going on in this, as I said, mega bull that's roaring and roaring and roar. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Theta versus dollar. Daily chart. Every candle one day. I mean, just by looking at this naked chart, everybody sees the bullishness. I'm even ashamed to talk about this coin. Like, let's analyze it. Well, what to analyze? It's so bullish, it's just going to the upside forever. Even my grandma knows that this is bullish. Grandma, do you know about Theta?
Oh, yes, dear boy. It's just going up, right?
Yes, Grandma, it's just going up, it's never stopping. But all things have end, so eventually Theta will just have to stop. All jokes aside, this is a very bullish price action, and of course, it's overbought. But the thing is, when things are overbought in the bull market, they could become even more overbought. So I don't know, however you want to draw this trend lines of support like this, it's moving to the upside. It's clear to everyone. If we fall to this trend line one more time, will it be so horrible? Absolutely not. It will be perfectly normal. Please, if you hold Theta and this happens, don't shit your pants too early. Everything is still in order. No bull is intact. This is the one way we can draw a supporting trend line. And we drew it like this because it is really supporting the price on many occasions. But we can draw it also the other way around. If we go past, we can make a case from something like this. And again, nothing more is changing. Here, support, here, and here. It's not touching here. But remember one more time, let me emphasize that supports are zones, not the clear lines. So something like this is respectable. There's so many ways that you can play with this chart. For a beginner, this is my best advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can make you get some insights. Just draw one trend line. This is December of 2020. It's going up. It's intact, this support. So if you fall for the levels of, where are we now, $7 to the levels of region of $5, everything is still bullish, nothing changed, okay? Just a matter of perspective. Who else could you advise for a little analysis? I think volume would be a good choice because of this candle. And this candle is showing us huge volume, buying power or selling in correlation with its previous volume. This could mean that we have a local top. I'm not saying that we are, but this is a possibility because in here, biggest FOMO, biggest buying power, but also check out these wicks. So that correction that we mentioned, let's bring back again that trend line, that correction that we mentioned could indeed be a possibility. But again, I'm stating this is all short-term, mid-term. Long-term, Theta is a bull. Maybe for now it will correct a little. We'll see. So don't freak out. That's why I'm here. Another level that we could correct to are moving averages. For now, we will talk about 21 exponential moving average on the daily chart and the 34, because as you can see, it was a pretty significant support in the past, in the month of January, but also in February. So, is it reasonable for us to think that the price will retrace again to this level between the 21 and 34 EMA? Yes, absolutely. Be prepared. That's all I want from you. Be prepared for this correction, because it is a normal ebb and flow of the prices, the nature of the markets. And it's pretty healthy, because if Theta decides to go more and more higher, it will be unsustainable. And that is a pretty dangerous trend. By the way, before I dig into the chart versus Bitcoin, I just want to say that I even not gonna do any price predictions in this coin, because it is so bullish that for now we don't have enough data and price is in a high price discovery. No one can put a tag on something that is roaring so much. Overall verdict, bullish with a correction that is awaiting us. And now, yeah, you guessed it, Theta versus Bitcoin. Let's go. Yes, bullish also versus Bitcoin. As I said, Theta is a mega bull. Now let me show you what happened. From the beginning of this year, we formed this support, and you can see many occasions where it held. At the same time, we were forming resistance. See the areas of resistance In the meantime, price was squeezing until this point. Let's call it a point of breakout. Here we got ourselves a boom, and we're still in that boom. Maybe now we are overstretched. Maybe this is too much. Maybe again Theta will rest versus Bitcoin. Like in here. We'll see. Volume is proving us the same thing as versus USD, because although on the point of this breakout, volume was a little bigger, but not too much. But the biggest volume, by far the biggest volume, came with these candles. And this could be one more signal of the top. Local top, not a huge top, just a local top. This means, look at this wick, look at this entire candle, little body and a huge wick to the upside. This means that coin needs to rest. If not the correction, then absolutely some consolidation. Theta will decide, not me, not you. If I plot this 21, same thing. Between him and this 34 area is a hard and clear support. I mean, it's beautiful. Just check it out. Always supporting in this area. And yes, you can add 55 for a whole story. For everybody of any candle to have its clear support. What I wanted to tell you, and what I am telling you right now, that pullback to these regions, I mean just pick your spot, is highly likely. It would be highly appreciated if you could put those thumbs up. Now that you saw what Theta is all about regarding the price action. And also check out others videos from my channel, because in there we discuss some other coins, some other topics, everything in the manner of analysis and data points. So if you're enjoying staying here with us, I'm happy to see you on our next video. Bye.